Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the Do Not Disturb mode icon. This is the one that looks like the circle with the line inside of it. And to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on this icon, like this. The icon should change the color or get highlighted, and also it should say Do Not Disturb mode enabled. And then you can basically close the quick panel by swiping up on the screen or pressing the home button. Also, you can tell that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled by this icon right here on the watch face. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, simply wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the icon again, and the icon should change the color. Also, this icon from the watch face should disappear. This means that the Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode via the settings on your watch. So let's open the settings on our watch. So I'm gonna swipe up on the screen to open the menu, tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's select the notifications option, and here scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb, and now we can tap on the switch to turn it on, and to turn it off we need to tap on it again to basically flick it off. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.